Hello everyone, welcome you all again in the live session. So in this live session, we are going to work on a very interesting design of a calendar. So as you can see, this design seems to be so interesting, right? And this is very easy, very simple. It's just make your concept so clear about HTML and CSS, means about the designing. So we are taking just one calendar, and then you can collab this calendar with a particular language like JavaScript also. So today in this tutorial we are going to learn about like how to design this calendar with HTML and CSS. So as you can see, what things do we have in this calendar, like you know about HTML and CSS very well. Like HTML is a hypertext markup language. So we will simply design a table with HTML, give some class and IDs. And by giving that, we will design it, we will give colors and everything, alignment, arrangement, everything we will do in the CSS. Okay, so the first part we will write HTML for this design, and today we are going to make this same design only. So I'm just sharing a tab. You all know, I guess, about Codepen platform. It's very easy to use. It's online. You don't have to download any editor. Just go to Codepen and start writing down the code for making your concepts more sharp and clear. Okay, so everyone, for designing this, what we need is, I think there is 1-2 minutes remaining. So let's wait for other to join. Till then, we will discuss why we are learning this a calendar, and why we are making calendar here. Is just what happens. You learn, suppose, tables in HTML, right? But your concepts are not very much clear until you are not designing the real life actual things, right? That is the main purpose of making these kind of stuff, and we are making them just because to having good learnings. So if you take real life designs, if you take real things, and you start making them, then definitely you will create something really good and interesting. So I hope everyone joined us now, and just give me a minute. Give me 2 minutes. Let everyone to join the sessions so that they will also not miss these important things over here. Okay, I think we'll start designing it. So I'm sharing my screen. So here, as you all know, the first thing we will start with HTML. So I will start writing down the table, because see how I wrote it, because like when you write table, then greater than size sign and tab key you will press, then you will find the table over here. Okay, like starting tag and ending tag of the table you will get here. So here I will write summary of table, and here I will write a calendar. Okay, now after this I will give the caption. Okay, so I will write caption, and inside the caption I will write like what will be the caption of my table, right? So I will give this tag, and here I will write hashtag, nothing inside it, and I'll relate this as review, and here I'm putting a sign. it will be like less there. Actually, in HTML, you cannot put less than, greater than sign altogether. You have a particular code for putting out the signs. Okay, so for putting this sign, we have the code is like we will put end LT. LT. Okay, this is the sign that we will give. And because we are making a calendar of February 2023, so I'm writing February 2023. Then I'll give one more, then I'll give one more anchor tag here. And here again, I will put this hashtag. And this is preview, like one is for preview, I'm putting a link, and one is for next part, when you go to the next month of the calendar. See, today we are going to design this thing, but later we will also code that. So we have to, put all the things here. So now I'm putting another sign here. So as you can see that this February is coming like that. You can see over here that this February is coming like that. This is the less than sign, and this is the greater than sign. Okay, and these are the links. So I'm not, I did not align it yet. So that's why it's showing like that. Now, the next part, I am making T header, because the header of my table, right? So as you all know, table has various component. T header, header is the upper section of the table. Suppose I am going to design a table. This is my table. So in this table, I have one will be the header part. Then one will be the rows. Inside the rows, we have the data, like these are the data inside the row we are putting. Okay, so these all are data. So these things we define as TD stands for data, TR stands for T rows, TH stands for headers. Okay, so that's why it's coming like that. Now, the next part is I'm taking TR means T row. So in T row, what I will do is in T row means one row, I'm taking the headers, and I am using scope. Scope is actually defining us, like how many, like this is a part of a column, a particular columns. Okay, so I'm making a columns. So here I am just writing TH, and inside the TR I'm writing TH because it's header, and inside this I will write scope equals to call. And the first part, like as you all can see that when you will see anything, it looks like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday in the calendar, like just now I have shown you. So the same thing I'm doing, like I'm writing here Sunday, then the same thing, the same content, I'm going to copy and paste it again and again. This is for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, that's it. So here I'm writing down like this will be Monday. This will be Tuesday. This will be Wednesday. This will be Thursday. Okay, so I'll write in 3 only. So I'm just write TUR for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, so my headers are complete. I wrote Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now the heading part, after heading, of course, I want the body part, table body part. So I will write T body. And inside the body, of course, I will make the row. So this is a row, and inside the row, you have to put the data. So inside the row, I will put some data. So T data, I will make the class for this. So I will make a class inside T body is like first class I am making as null. Okay, like some of the dates I don't want to show right onto the calendar. Some of the dates will come like blur if it is not the part of that particular month, right? So that's what I'm doing. Like so here I will write, okay, so end tag 40 data is already given. I don't need to write that. So I'm just going back. Okay, now this is null, like 29 is null in my calendar, 30 is null, and 31 is null. Okay, means it will show some gray part, so that's why I'm making this. Okay, so I'm just going to change the date. This will be 30 and this will be 31. So this is done now. Like my T body is fine. After that, what I will be doing is that T header is closing here, and then we will make the another data for 1, 2, 3. Means we will make the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, 29, 30, 31. After this, there will be the numbers coming like 1, 2, 3, 4. But this is the part of February date, right? So that's what I'm doing. I simply paste, I simply, but no, I want them to be put in the href link. So I am just removing it. I will put td data. Then inside, like outside this tag, I will put one anchor tag. And here I will give hashtag, okay, and 1. Actually, why I'm putting it like this, like when I move my cursor on a particular date that belongs to the calendar, that date should be highlighted. That's why I'm putting these things inside the anchor tag. Okay, that's so that my date should be highlighted. That I will do that like in CSS as well. So I'm going to copy this complete thing. And because I want to make the dates like 1, 2, 3, 4. Why I'm making 1, 2, 3, 4? Like if I calculate it from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, right? So that's why I have to complete that that full row. That's why I'm doing this. So this is like 2. This will be 3. This will be 4. Okay, so this is done. Now what is the next part? Like I will come out of the T row, means my first row is complete, and now I will create my second row. So this time in my second row, of course, what will come, like 6 to 12, the dates will come. So it's very, very, very simple and easy. Like as you all can see in the output, if I change the view, see, this is the output. The calendar heading is here, that this is February 2023 calendar, and it shows like this. These are just not part of the calendar, but the 1, 2, 3, 4 is a part of the calendar, right? Now I will see like this is second row, so I'm going to start my second row. I am going to copy this thing here again, because 6 to 12 I need to write down the number. So this will be 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Yeah, see, it covers complete numbers. So I'm just writing 6, 7. It's very, very easy. You can make, sometimes our teachers ask in schools, or like if we want to practice something very simple and interactive, interesting, then you can definitely give this challenge to your friends, that okay, let's make this, and show that to me, because it's very simple, I think. So now it's just you need to like know about what things come first, like what is T row, what is T data. If you have good understanding on T row, T data, T header, definitely you can create a very, very interesting table. Okay, so this is third part. Then of course, the next part is like 13 to 19. I'm not going to do anything. I'll just copy this complete code. I come over here, I paste it here, and I simply change the dates. So 12, after 12, 13 will come, then 14 will come, then 15, then 16, 17, 18, oops, 18, and 19. Okay, this is done. Then again, the next part will be like, I'm just doing the same thing, copy, and I'm pasting it here. So this time the dates will come like 20, 21. I can see my calendar, it looks so good. And 23, and I'm enjoying it really while making this. 24 and 25. And this will be 26, and again I will create but this time I will take 26, 27, 28 because there are only 28 days in the month of February. So I'm giving 27, 28, and I will close this T row. That's it. But after 27 and 28, we also have some numbers like here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers also have to be there, right? So we can simply write them like as with the class null. Okay, so I'm just writing TD, and here I will make class will be null, and this will be 1. So I'll just copy this, paste it here, and one more. I think that's done. Now I'll do that 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh my God, this looks so good. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more. Okay, one more. We will make it as null, and this will be 5. That's cool. See, now if I change the view, woohoo, see, this is my calendar. I can see my calendar properly. Now what I will do is I will code this calendar in CSS. So everyone, please look at the code carefully, and now we will come in the CSS part. So let's come with the CSS part here. This was our HTML part, and now I'm writing down the code in CSS part. So I'm just moving it bit this side. Okay. So let's come to the CSS. What we are going to write, first of all, we are taking universal selector, asterisk sign we use to universal selector, and I'm making the common changes like margin will be 0. Then I will make border, that will also be 0. Then padding also be 0. Like these are simple changes, like simple things that we must have to do whenever we are writing CSS. So HTML body. Now here I will give complete HTML body because see, I want to make a calendar and I want to cover this inside anything. Okay, so I have to code this complete HTML body So I'm giving width, that will be 100%. Then I'm giving height, that's again 100%. Then I'm giving background, that should be linear. Linear gradient. You know about linear gradients. I actually told you in lots of projects. You can go and watch our previous projects. Like we made one flag with HTML and CSS design. So you can watch there. Linear gradient is actually setting up the background thing. Okay, like it's creating a gradient. So you can watch and you can see there. 2 1 and 3 2. This is actually the code for setting up our gradient, and this is very important to put it. Okay, the next thing is caption. We made one caption, so like we are covering the particular thing inside the caption, right? 2023 February calendar 2023. So let's give the background to the caption. So the background I want to be blue. You can give anything according to your choice. As you all can see, when I put caption background as blue, you can see the caption background is in blue. Okay, 3 em. Em also I told you number of times means it's setting up the font size. So em is the unit for setting up the font size. Okay, and em we also use to setting up the height here. Now I will take line height. This will also be in 3 em. And then background. No, the background that there, like background we have already there. So I'm just giving box shadow. So box shadow, I'm giving 3 pixel, 0, 2 pixel, black, and see. This is good. This is really good. Okay, so the box shadow is here. Then next I'm giving color. Color will be white. Font family. Font family will be Josephine. I'm taking, or by default, if it is not finding this, then sans serif is universal. Like we always use, most of the time we use this font family. See, this caption part looks so pretty. Oh, that's nice. Okay, now what I will do is caption A means caption is actually one of the component, and inside it we are finding out the anchor tags. So that's why I'm giving it, I'm writing it like that. Now I will take color. Color will be white. And now let's come on the table component. So in table component, I will set up the background, and here I have the code for background is D. Then position will be fixed for my calendar. Then top will be 50%. What's coming over here? Just wait. Okay, so from top it is 50%, and left it is also 50%. Here it should be, yeah, semicolon must be there. Okay, so the position of my calendar is here. Then transform, translate, minus 50% and minus 50%. These are some parameters that makes our design so pretty. And it gives realistic effects basically. You can access our courses. We have very interesting things to make, so you can check our courses. There you can definitely complete your task and everything, and whatever you want to make, you can definitely have good guidance. So yeah, it's shadow, box shadow. So this will be 3 pixel, then 3 pixel, then 2 pixel, and black. So yeah, this makes my calendar good enough. Now I will give something to my table T had component. Okay, table T had and T row components. So yeah, after table, of course, we'll come to table T had, that's th. Okay, here table thtr first we will do. So we will do table thtr. Acha, what is the difference between this? So this thing we are going to do for all table, for table also, for th also, for tr also. Okay, and when we are taking space, it means I'm calling the third person. Suppose 3 persons are all together standing. So one person name is Arzu, one person name is Annie, and one person name is Albert. Okay, so if I want to call Albert, I will do Arzu space Annie space Albert. So Albert, I will call directly Albert here. Okay, but if I want to call all three, so I will say Arzu, comma Annie, comma Albert. Means I'm calling all three. Okay, this is the difference. So now here we will do text align, that will be center. Then we will do vertical align, that will be middle, and this is done. Now after this, I'm doing the same, like I'm calling my th. So I am doing this, and I'm coming here. Okay, border will be solid, 1 pixel, white. Then width will be 3 em. Then height will be 2 em. Then font weight will be 900. Then of course font family, we are taking same as we took above, so we can simply take font family here. So I copied it and I'm just pasting it here. Okay, now let's come to the next part, is for the data, and then we will take the anchor tag. So here I am just taking t head, these two. I'll copy this, paste it, and now I'm calling t data. So in T data, I will take the border exactly same. So I'm just copy this and paste it here. And I want the height. I will copy this height and paste it here. And I want 2.7 em. Okay. Now the next part is anchor tag I'm taking. So the text decoration is none over here, and the font family will be same. Okay. So I am just copying the font family code, and that will be same, and the text decoration will be none here. Now what I want is to body A, and here I will just give the command that display block, then height will be 100%, then display flags, then align items, center, color, black. Okay, so see the alignment here, like the first alignment is absolutely fine, and I'm doing the same alignments for everything. Now I want to add hover effect, so I'm just coming over here and I will add hover. And it should be like selection. Okay. So T body A, and hover means I will move somewhere like onto the numbers, then something is going to happen. Okay, that's hover. So background, I want blue, means when I move my cursor on some number, the background should become blue and color should be white. So I think this effect, see, I'm moving my cursor onto the numbers and it's working. This is hover effect. Okay. Now next I want null, because see what I see in February calendar, that 29 is also the date, 30 is also the date, 31 is also the date. No, the class, I'm calling the class null here, and I will send these class background, oh sorry, these class color as gray. I don't want them to be the part of calendar, so I'm selecting it as gray. And of course the font family will be same, so I will just copy it and paste it. Oh, this is good. Now see, these are the part of my dates and these are not. Now let's come on to the selected. So dot selected is also one of the class. So I'm giving dot selected, and background will be blue, and dot selected A anchor tags, color white. Yay, we have done with the complete calendar, and it looks like that. See, so this is our calendar and it's complete. So for this calendar, let me show you on full screen. This is a complete calendar, and this is the code for this HTML part. This is the HTML code, and this is the part for CSS. Nothing, very simple. You can make it more interesting, more realistic with JavaScript. So we will learn later how we can attach this with JavaScript, like making it more real. But for now, this design, I think, is good practice for, clear out your concepts on table. Okay, everyone, I hope you like this video and thank you so much. Please keep watching like that. Like every Saturday, we are live and you can definitely make interesting projects with us. Okay, bye-bye, everyone.